family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now. Also, I am bringing you a 5 off of 25 digital coupons that we all got that last us between Monday. You can do it between the past Monday all the way up until Friday the 13th. So Monday was the 9th through the 13th, okay, of this week. Then also, we did also get a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. So, I mean, y'all, I thought I wasn't going to be able to do these deals because I went on vacation and went out of town last week. When I came back Monday, well, actually, I came back Sunday. But Monday, when I seen that they was having the deal going on from the 9th, I'm so tired, y'all. So tired. Y'all know when you're traveling, going through the airport, and then also having almost 2 hour delay trying to, catch another flight home, it gets kind of tiresome. I'm beat, okay? I am really beat. So I didn't think I was going to get any 5 off of 25 done for this week. I figured I was going to do one on a Saturday, but I managed to do it. Yes, I managed to do it today. Also, I'm going to try to see if I can do tomorrow also, my other two numbers. Now, I did two numbers today. I did, what was it? My number. No, I did another number, and then I did my husband's number. So I'm going to try to see if I can do two more of these 5 off of 25s, because I know I'll probably do it Saturday, but some of the coupons that I really want and really need is expiring the 14th. So I'm gonna try to see if I can get those items that is going to give you a low out of pocket or help you with your 5 off of 25. Also, y'all, I am using paper coupons on here, okay? Paper coupons. Let me know in the comments below, which one do you think that I use paper coupons on? And I mean, y'all, got it for almost, I could say they was 50 cents a piece. Yes, 50 cents a piece, okay? So let's go ahead and get to this video. All right, so the first thing I got was these Airwick Vibrant refills. They are $7 each. This one right here is almond milk and honey. And then I got another one. This one is white sage and mahogany. I bet they smell real good. So these are $7 a piece. Then also I have a digital coupon with buy one, get one free. Okay. So the next thing I got was this Glade Hawaiian Breeze. The Glade Hawaiian Breeze, I'm sorry, y'all, is $2. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. The next thing I got was the Febreze Small Spaces. The Febreze Small Spaces, let's see, that is $3.25. I have a $2.30 off digital coupon that is attaching. The next thing I got was this Snuggle. I was trying to find the Snuggle that was actually 40-something ounces, but I got this one that's 32 for this Snuggle, which is fine because I had a cash back offer also for, I think it was the 42 through the 50 ounce, but that's fine. And then what it is, you buy a Snuggle, you get the, also you buy the Snuggle fabric softener along with the Snuggle dryer sheets. It comes off, let's see, $3.95 comes off. The Snuggle sheets, they are $4.50. And let's see, how much was no, I'm sorry. The sheets was $4.50. The fabric softener was $3.95. So I had store discount, the digital coupon, which is $3.95. And then somehow I got some double offer here. I don't know what it was. I'm trying to see. There's more than one store discount that came off other than the 5 off of 25. I don't know exactly what it is. I was trying to figure it out. But anyway, yeah, I got it. I did real good. The next thing I did was the fabric car clips. This one is, let's see, the fabric car clips is $3.35. There's a $2.30 off digital coupon that is attaching. Now, these two right here, these are the ones that I got for 50 cents a piece. Okay? 50 cents a piece. Let's see. They are $2.50. Okay? $2.50. Now, they $2.50 a piece. Okay? But in, I forgot which paper. I think it was one of our saves. I don't know if it was last week or week before last. There is a $4 off of 2 for the spray, for this disinfectant. Or if you don't have the 4 off of 2 anymore, there is $1.50 off where you can use 2 of them. I went ahead and did the 4 off of 2, which took $2 off of each, left it with 50 cents a piece. Yes, 50 cents a piece. You cannot beat that, especially with putting it in with a 5 off of 25 deal. So if anybody has these, please put them into your transaction to make it a little lower. And then also for the 5 off of 25, so you won't have to come out of your pocket with a lot. Okay. So after all my coupons came off, my 5 off of 25 came off, that $3.95 came off. And I don't know what was these other discounts that I got, but I did get them. After all that came off, my subtotal, y'all, was $7.55. Y'all, this is $7. This fat right here is $7. So, I mean, may as well say I got all of this free. It's great. Couponing, y'all, is lovely. So, yes. Subtotal $7.50, 55 cents, I'm sorry. You know, everybody's taxes is different. So let me show you my receipt. So there we go. You see that? There's the Axe, Febreze, Glade, Airwick, Febreze, the Family Guard, and then here is the Snuggles. And then there it is, $7.55. Everybody's taxes is different. Y'all, look how much my total savings was. Look how much, $28.50. Yes, $28.50. You can't beat that. Then I still got another, if I want to use this tomorrow, if I want to use it again, I have a paper, 5 off of 25. And then for Saturday, a 5 off of 25. I always like to keep the paper for Saturday sometimes, just in case if I go to another store, like not an old receipt store, because I try to stay away from them. I try. And then I know some, I'm so glad that the Dollar Generals that I'm buying, they don't have the new receipt stores. I just got all old receipt stores and I love it. So yeah, this right here is my Dollar General haul deals that you can do now. If you would just like, subscribe, and thank you for coming by. Miss Jones.